Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be our January Boxycharm unboxing. I realize that it is extremely late in the month of January, but my box didn't come until yesterday, so it's not my fault, I promise. So yeah, let's get into it. I did take a peek to see what was inside so I could know how to do my makeup. So let's... One thing I do want to say is that I did pull two products out of the Boxy Luxe that I want to use in today's video, just so you know, these are not a part of the regular box, they're the Boxy Luxe. So the Fenty mascara, and then I did use the Fenty setting powder, and I just wanted to talk about it really quick in this video because I really liked it. Mine's in the shade Cashew, and I didn't feel like it changed the color of my face or anything. It seemed more like a translucent powder, and it smells really good. So I just wanted to throw that in there before we begin. So the first thing I want to do is our eyes. So we did get a Violet Voss palette this month, which I'm really happy about. It's $34. It's called the Olive You Forever. So I Love You Forever, Olive You Forever palette. And it says that it is a new launch, which is awesome. I like to have new things. So this is what I'm going to be using. Cute, like olivey packaging. I feel like... Ooh, okay, small little mirror in there, which is good. You can fold it back, which you guys know I have like an inappropriate love for like the palettes that fold back. Here are the colors. So this is why I picked the lip that I'm wearing, because I felt like, you see the vibe that I'm going for here? Like it just goes together. So yeah, I think I'm going to do like a neutral look with some of these here, I'm thinking. Yeah. So no brushes this month, which is fine. We've gotten a ton of brushes in the last couple of boxes in Boxy Luxe. I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Wink, which is like a dusty cream color. It's more of a neutral or cool toned cream, whereas I feel like we're used to seeing very warm toned creams and crease shades. So I find that refreshing. Some Fallout, which to me, I usually like Fallout because it kind of says that it's a nice pigmented powdery shadow, as long as the Fallout's not causing any like ridiculous issues. I'm cool with it. I'm going to go in with Wishful, which is like a shade darker and a shade pinker, and I'm going to take the same brush and start swirling that into the outer corner. Oops, I accidentally just dipped into the darker one. I accidentally dipped into Charmed, so if it gets a little darker, that's why. But it's okay, because that's what I was going for next. I'm sure you guys see my pattern by now. The way I do my eyeshadow, I always go like lighter to darker to get some dimension. So far, I'm really liking the pigment. Now I am going to go in with Charmed. Again, with the same fluffy brush, and just use big circular motions on the outer half of the eye. You can also use this with a dense brush to get more pigment, I'm sure. But right now, I'm still doing my whole dimension thing. So I'm using big swirls on a big brush so that it doesn't get too pigmented. See that? That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. I'm going to take a little bit of Endless Desire, which has a little bit more of a red and less of a purple that the other one had, and I'm going to do the same thing. Like I said, I don't know, I just feel like layering a bunch of colors from lighter to darker and switching up the tone a little bit just adds a lot of shadows to the eyeshadow, which I feel like looks really good. So that looks good. Now I'm going to go in with a dense brush, and I am going to take Charmed again and add a little bit of a more defined, darker pigment to the outer corner. Now, I almost like to go up as if I'm doing a wing, because I feel like it helps with like the cat eye effect that I really like. I used to be a master at it back in the day, but honestly, I never really wear eyeshadow anymore. Oh, see that? We just got Fallout all over my nice, beautiful highlighter that I don't like. That shows me, see, I wish I had a fan or someone to blow that off my face, because that shows that the Fallout is just way too much. That's really... Okay, I think I managed to swipe it off without ruining too much of my highlighter, but that, I'm not a big fan of that. But do you guys see how it kind of gave me that cat eye effect, the way that I'm applying this? Like, yeah, I think you can see, right? So what you want to do is just get a good amount of it on your brush, and I'm scared about the Fallout, and tap it right down on the lash line, and then go up as if like the area where you would put eyeliner for a winged liner. Yeah. It just gives you a little bit of an extra cat eye effect, and then I do bring it into the crease just a little bit. Okay. So that's absolutely beautiful. And mind you, the shadows are absolutely beautiful. They just have a little bit too much fallout. So you just need to be a little bit careful, okay? I'm trying to decide because lately I've been going with like the clean under eye with like no mascara under there. And I think it looks really good, but I kind of think I'm going to add some. So I need to get a dense brush so I can put this. Hold on. Okay, so I grabbed a dense brush with the same color, and I'm gonna carefully, because I don't want it to get all over, I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. Purpley pinks must be my color, because I feel like whenever I do like a look like this, I'm always like, oh, I love the way that looks. So maybe that means that's like my color, I guess. Very pretty. To finish up the eye look, I'm going to go in with the Vintage by Jessica Live Skinned liner, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. We got this in a Boxycharm like 3 years ago, and it is my favorite waterline liner. It's just super pigmented, and it goes on whoop whoop in 2 swipes. I'm going to, again, like I said, go in with the Fenty mascara. So this is from Boxy Luxe this month, not the regular Boxy. I mean, it's not clumpy at all, but it's not providing me with a whole lot of lash. Okay, so of course my camera stopped recording, but fortunately the eyeshadow and all of that was still recorded, so that's good. Yeah, the mascara is okay. It's just like not giving a super lengthening vibe. So I don't know. I don't really care about mascara, to be honest with you, because I always have my fake lashes on or lash extensions. So it's just whatever on the bottom lash. So I'm cool with it, whatever. I'm in love with the eyeshadow palette though, and for only $35, completely worth it, and would definitely buy that on my own, even if it wasn't in Boxycharm. So I wanted to go through the rest of the stuff that's in the box. So there is a Pure Cosmetics Tinted Moisturizer. Now, this is also $35. It's a sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with 20 SPF. So I didn't want to use this today because I'm going out and it's also way too light for me right now. I have a spray tan. But I'm sure it would be good like for the summer. I don't know. I can see that it's full too, like with the light shining through, so that's good. Yeah, I don't know. This wasn't something that I could wear right now, but I could try this if you guys want to see like a natural look, like makeup tutorial or something. I could try that once my spray tan comes off because it's kind of light. Let me see what's next. Pharmacy 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner for $28. So right now we're at $34, $40, $50, $62, $70, $80, $90, like $100-ish. And this is a pore cleansing toner with moringa and papaya. And the packaging is pretty cute. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Cute, sleek packaging. I know Pharmacy is a really good brand. And I actually really forever appreciate the skincare stuff that comes in Boxycharm because I literally don't buy it for myself ever. So if it weren't for them, I would have no skincare in my bathroom. And I have such a good skincare setup in my bathroom. It's literally because of Boxycharm. So let me see if there's a seal. Oh. Yeah, oh, I can still smell it through though. It's got like a minty fresh smell. So I like that a lot. And let's see. Uh-oh, where did I lose it? Oh no, it's right here. Dr. Brandt is one of my favorite skincare brands that I also was introduced to from Boxycharm. This is a Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream for $82. So we're at almost $200 now for the total of the box. And it says this peptide power cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness for fresh, younger looking eyes. And I want to see what the directions say, if it's for like at night, probably. Apply AM and PM to your eye contour, which is like under here. Let's see see what it looks like. I love Dr. Brandt very, very much. And most of my Dr. Brandt stuff is like exfoliating cream. And I'm excited to actually use something that like stays on. So this probably has a seal. No, it does not. Let's see. Oh, it's like a thin white cream and it has a nice smell to it. Dr. Brandt usually has nice either like citrusy smells. So I'm very excited to use that, and it's super expensive, and we get it in our box. That's $25, so totally worth it. Last product is Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss in Unprofessional. Sheer Hot Peach, tells the world you mean business, $18. Now, it probably does match my look because it says Hot Peach. I don't like lip gloss, but I might have to put it on for you guys. I suppose. Let's see. Oh, whoa. To me, that's not Hot Peach. That is like, well, I guess. To me, this is Coral. Let me put a tiny bit on. Well, it's definitely got pigment to it, but I only put a tiny bit on. See, I don't like lip gloss when you have like a dramatic eye look on. I feel like if I had like plain eyes, maybe a lip gloss would be better, but whatever, tried it out for you. And it's not sticky or anything. It's very smooth, so it's a nice quality lip gloss. And it's good to know that you can put it over a neutral and it's not going to turn out to be like this color. It did make it a little bit more pink, but not like anything too ridiculous. I actually really like this box. I'm more happy with the palette than with anything else. There wasn't a whole lot of like makeup in this box, but like I said, I need to get my skincare somewhere, so getting it in Boxycharm is always nice. The palette honestly makes the entire box worth it. Where did I put the palette? I don't even know where I put it, but honestly, one of my favorite palettes I think that I've ever used, so definitely worth it. I think we got a really nice eye look out of it, and there was also some like green shimmers in there that I think would be cute, so let me know if you want me to do like another look with the palette. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that this video was so late. My Boxycharm just took forever to come. So yeah, I did the best that I could, okay? Not that I'm doing the best that I can with anything else with YouTube, because I suck. I really do. So I have a week off in February, so hopefully I can get some more filming done. Okay, I know that I suck. I'm sorry. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below because I still reply to all of your comments no matter what, because I love you guys and talking to you guys. So